ChatGPT became the fastest growing app in history, faster than TikTok, faster than Instagram. In just 60 days, over 100 million people were using it. But here's the strange part. Every time you type into ChatGPT, it costs OpenAI money. By some estimates, millions of dollars every single day just to keep the servers running. So how does a company with a product that bleeds cash become a billion-dollar business? That's the paradox of OpenAI. And the answer lies in one of the boldest business strategies in tech history. When OpenAI launched ChatGPT in late 2022, it didn't just release a chatbot, it released a cultural phenomenon. Students used it to write essays, coders used it to debug code, marketers used it to create content. For many, it felt like the future arrived overnight. But behind the excitement was a brutal financial truth. Scale without revenue is a death sentence, and OpenAI's scale was unprecedented. ChatGPT Plus, the subscription play. The first step was ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month for priority access and faster speeds. It's the bait, and millions took it. If even 5 million people subscribe, that's already over $1 billion a year in predictable, recurring revenue. This turns viral hype into SaaS-style stability. And if there's one thing investors love, it's recurring revenue the enterprise goldmine. But subscriptions are just the beginning. The real goldmine is OpenAI's enterprise deals. Through its API, companies rent OpenAI's brain and plug it directly into their products. Duolingo uses GPT to help students learn faster. Stripe uses it to fight fraud. Shopify uses it to help entrepreneurs. Slack uses it to summarize conversations. Every one of those requests is money flowing back to OpenAI. And then came the partnership that changed everything. Microsoft's $10 billion bet on OpenAI. This wasn't just an investment, it was distribution. Suddenly, GPT was embedded inside Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and even Bing. Think about that. Hundreds of millions of office workers now have OpenAI at their fingertips, whether they know it or not. Behind the scenes, Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, became the official host of OpenAI models, which means when enterprises run GPT on Azure, Microsoft and OpenAI split the check. But OpenAI isn't stopping there. They've already rolled out custom GPTs, personalized AIs trained for specific tasks. Imagine a law firm with its own legal GPT, or a hospital running a medical GPT. Those kinds of contracts can be worth hundreds of thousands, even millions per year. And then there's the AI App Store. Just like Apple takes a cut from every app sold on the App Store, OpenAI wants to take a cut from every GPT-powered app built on its platform. It's not just a chatbot anymore. It's an ecosystem, but here's the catch. Running AI isn't cheap. Training GPT-4 reportedly cost over $100 million. Every query you type into ChatGPT requires thousands of GPUs crunching data. And those GPUs are powered by NVIDIA, the most valuable chip maker in the world. This means OpenAI burns through money on electricity, chips, and servers. Without massive enterprise deals, the economics don't add up. On top of that, OpenAI faces competition from giants. Google with Gemini, Amazon backing Anthropic, Meta giving away open-source models for free, and governments are circling, worried about monopolies and safety risks. One regulatory crackdown could throttle revenue overnight. And of course, there's trust. A major scandal, a lawsuit, or a catastrophic mistake could cost billions. So what's the big picture? OpenAI isn't really a chatbot company. It's the blueprint for how intelligence will be monetized. Just like Microsoft turned software into subscriptions and Google turned search into ads, OpenAI is turning artificial intelligence into a platform, charging the world to use its brain. OpenAI's future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence isn't just a technology anymore. It's a business, and it could become the most lucrative one in history. If you want more deep dives into how technology and business collide, subscribe to Future Vector AI, because this is only the beginning of the AI economy.